friends, welcome back to my channel Satu Rockz. Today it's a little bit different from the regular one. Today I am going to face a challenge given by my mom. My mom wanted to test my speed in mental calculations in all four operators. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let's start.
12 zeros are
0,
24 minus 3.
21,
11 11s are
121,
45 minus 45.
0,
How much divided by 4 is equal to 4?
16,
80 divided by 10.
8,
23 plus 17.
40,
718 plus 99.
817,
7 9s are
63,
4 14s are
56,
45 minus 7.
38,
253 minus 0.
253,
4 8s are
32,
877 plus 99.
976,
32 divided by 8.
4,
How much divided by 9 is equal to 8?
72,
100 plus 0.
100 plus 0, 100,
5 15s are
75,
12 12s are
144,
250 plus 300.
550,
448 minus 5.
443,
94 minus 7.
87,
3 7s are
21,
11 8s are
88,
921 plus 9.
930,
10 divided by how much you get 1?
10,
54 divided by 6.
9,
How much divided by 4 is equal to 5?
20,
2 13s are
26,
526 minus 9.
517,
52 minus 8.
44,
63 minus 3.
60,
25 minus 5.
20,
3 5s are
15,
6 4s are
24,
7 3s are
21,
669 plus 10.
679,
90 plus 30.
120,
293 plus 3.
296,
18 divided by 2.
9,
45 divided by 5.
9,
6 divided by 6.
1,
49 minus 8.
49 minus 8 is equal to 41,
180 minus 60.
120,
291 plus 5.
296,
6 11s are
66,
6 8s are
48,
9 6 are
54,
102 plus 6.
108,
272 plus 7.
279,
42 divided by 7.
6,
21 divided by 3.
7,
48 divided by 4.
12,
How much divided by 8 is equal to 5?
40,
64 plus 9.
73,
32 divided by 8.
4,
238 minus 9.
229,
639 minus 4.
635,
448 minus 5.
443,
190 minus 90.
100,
15 plus 15.
30,
718 plus 99.
817,
8 12s are
96,
8 20s are
160,
12 6 are
72,
25 divided by 5.
5. I think I performed well. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.